Hello everyone, this is Mark Leibovit. It's Thursday morning, May 15th, approximately 9:55 a.m. Pacific time. We're looking at the S&P Spiders. Leibovit Negative VR was formed yesterday. For those of you who are subscribers to VRTrader.com, you know I've been on the sell signal for a while because the big picture has been telling us down. NASDAQ 100, NASDAQ Composite, the Russell 2000. In fact, in the Russell 2000, I think about 40% of those stocks were in bear cycles. So the S&P and the Dow have been artificially being held up and being supported, perhaps through Janet Yellen's efforts. In any event, we are on a sell may go away philosophy, and we had a nice VIX reading on Monday, 11.88, which suggested we would at least get a correction here. So maybe this is just a little correction and not the bigger one, but we are trading right at that 50-day moving average. And once we break under it, I think you'll see a little bit more follow through. Intermediate risk could be all the way down to the 200-day moving average. In the SPY, that's down to about 179 area. Of course, that is slowly rising. So we'll see here. Meanwhile, let's go flip over it to the bonds. TLT has been one of our extraordinary examples in terms of applying with Leibovit VR discipline for trading. It just works just uncannily well. It's almost like you just want to trade the bonds and nothing else. So I'm flipping over here and putting up the 50-day sequential, which I like to do for the equities. Usually the 50-day and 200-day moving average. Very simple approach here. So what we have here, and we've seen this in the last several weeks, and I've done several videos on this, is just the great correlation between the VRs and the movement in the TLT. Positive VR here 2 days back, rising stochastic, nice move here. Of course, you got a gap here, and you got a gap here to fill. So I guess as a trader, I would not be chasing the bonds here. There's a chance they could pull back and fill one or more of these gaps. But on a trading basis, uncanny trade here. We had a beautiful trade here at the end of April. Nice follow through to the upside. Stochastic turned higher. So that was in confirmation. Negative VR a couple days before that. You had a little bit of a downtrend confirming that in the stochastic. So on and on and on. You can see here how each VR tied in with either rising or declining stochastic. It worked out beautifully in terms of triggering and confirming a trade. So have a pleasant day. Hope you're catching this in a timely manner, this report. Have a pleasant day. We'll speak to you on our next recording.